Joey here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I do planning videos, home organization, and some teacher videos. If that is something you are interested in, I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. All right, today I am doing a plan with me in collaboration with my friend Jennifer over at Life in Envelopes. And if you aren't familiar with her channel, I will link it below. We decided that we were going to do a collaboration together where I sent her a sticker kit and she sent me a sticker kit. We were going to use our sticker kits to plan in our weekly planners. Let's get started and see what she sent to me. Now this comes from her actual sticker shop. She owns her own sticker shop on Etsy, and I have ordered from her before, and her stickers are so cute. So let me show you what I ordered from her shop before. This one is the pastel, fall pastel. This is absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to put it in my planner. But let's see what she sent to me today. So it looks like she sent me her weekend, sort of the add-on that you can do that she has in her shops. So she's got this beautiful blue and this really bright, vivid pink. And I love these because they have this week and all these to-dos, and she gives you enough for the whole week. Lots of laundry and cleaning and garbage days, meeting and appointments. And then she's got the checklists, and I think these are individual. Nope, maybe they're not. Yeah, these are individual stickers, so you don't have to use them all. You could, if you only do 3 or 4 tasks at a time, you could totally do that, which is really nice. And then she's got some extras down here just to kind of help, you know, with that space. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Okay, so those are the 2 add-ons. Ooh, I love these. This is sort of the last hurrah for summer, right? August is almost over, and so I am so excited to use this one last summer kit before I head into my fall kits. So yeah, I love it. Look at these little popsicles and ice cream cones. The waffles with the ice cream and the pineapples are so cute. All right, let's look here. Oh, I love this. Looks like it's ice cream dripping down and the sprinkles and the glitter down here. We have some like smaller box dividers down here. And then there's another sheet with another weekend. Oh, cool. So I can hold on to these. With another weekend banner and some checklists, more full boxes and half boxes, and more of these box dividers. I love it. So cute. I guess this last week is technically in September, which is perfect because we're going from August to September. And the colors of this purple are, I think, are going to go really well. If I don't, you know, want to cover up all of these headers, I wouldn't have to. But I think I might actually use these thin washi tapes to do that now that I'm looking at it. Okay, well, let's just get started and see how we do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down my washies first. This is just her, she does have in her shop just the washi. So if you wanted just like this sheet, you could buy this one. I think she calls this one the economy. And so you could buy this, and then additional, you could just purchase this washi sheet as well by itself if you didn't think the other was enough. So all right, let's lay down the washi. All right, I had to white the August 2020 out since there's white at the top of the sticker. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, now I'm gonna take all those little leftover pieces that I had of the washi tape, and I'm gonna put them down the sides to kind of start my task, or my sidebar. So first I'm gonna lay this one down, and then I am going to put a clean house sticker right here, and I am going to write out what I do for each day, and I'm gonna put a checkbox next to each one, so that way I can sort of check off what I do every day. So let me write in what I do. Pretty much what I do for cleaning the house. So I generally do laundry on Friday, like Thursday and Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and list out my to-dos. I'm gonna put down 3 check boxes for each one. So let me do that really quickly. And I take it back. I'm actually going to put down 4 check boxes for each day. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this weekend banner down, and I'm gonna hold on to the economy one. On Monday, I have 2 doctor's appointments, and I will use another appointment header. And then I think I'm gonna use a box separator, and I'm going to then put down my exercise in this spot. So for each day, I will put down an exercise box. I will alternate between this one and a different one. Tuesday, again, is just a full work day. I don't have any appointments. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just lay down one of my half boxes. I'm gonna use, I haven't even touched this one. I definitely need to. I'm gonna use this sheet. I'm just gonna put down a box divider all the way across. I will say, I really love her stickers. They are super easy to peel up and replace, which is wonderful, because I've purchased from several sticker shops, and that is not always the case. Sometimes it is a real pain in the butt to try to peel the sticker up just to, you know, reposition it, and then you feel like you've like torn up half your page to do it. So yeah, I'm pleased. Tuesday, Wednesday, we always Zoom with the family. That's always a big thing. So I'm gonna lay down one of these half boxes. All right, so I just laid down all of those quarter boxes for my exercise. Now I'm gonna look up what I have going on for work this next week. So I have professional development on Wednesday at 8 a.m. And then I have a CPI refresher. So I'm just gonna notate meetings. Monday is sort of a teacher work day. I mean, it's really whatever we need to get done, we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down what I need for work. Nope, I take that back. Okay, so the CPI is actually for Thursday. Let me go back and move this so that it's on the right day. That would be helpful. Wednesday is actually professional development. Just moving these stickers all around today. It's a good thing these stickers are really repositional. I'm a hot mess express today. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, there we go. So Tuesday, I guess, is a teacher work day, as far as I can tell. I don't see anything on my calendar, but that may change. All right, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is officially opening days, and that is timed at 9 a.m. So, all right, I think what I'm gonna do is go back and just label both of these days as teacher work days. And if that needs to change, then I'll just change it. As of right now, that's what I'm seeing on my phone. What I do for each one of these days for exercise is I actually just write them in what I do that day. So I usually like walk 2 miles if that's what I do. If I do something else, then I will. Saturday is always a grocery run. I'm gonna throw that down. I'm gonna use one of these. I'm going to be doing a plan with me. Fairly confident that on Friday night, like we always try to do, we try to have a movie night. So I'm going to lay this half box down and write movie night, and then hopefully I can write down what movie we watched. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple of these like full boxes where I haven't used because I really have nothing that I can think of on Tuesday or Thursday that is like super pressing. So I'm gonna cut down a couple of these full boxes to more of like a half box size to sort of add some more decor to my bread. So, and I really love these waffle hearts. I think those are so cute. All right, and then I will probably track some other things over here. So I'm gonna add some more check boxes over here for this week. Okay, and then before I'm actually finished, I'm gonna add another full box right here with these adorable pineapples. And I think what I'm gonna do for Saturday and Sunday is I'm going to use some more of these boxes that I cut down. I might actually just cut it down a little bit more just to add some more deco. All right, so leftover that I have that she sent to me is I have these sort of these thin washi strips that you can use for box dividers. I have some full boxes right here and some half boxes and a quarter box. I still have this entire page of the add-on for the weekend. And I think she does this for all of her kits, where she adds like a couple of different colors that you can choose from, whichever one you like the most. And then I still have this washi and the washi strips here, some full boxes, and also some checklists, and half boxes and quarter boxes, and the dividers. So I have so much. I love it, you guys. This is so cute. Let's take one last look at it before I call it a day. Let me back it up a little bit. All right, there we go. This is the finished product, you guys. It's so cute. I love it. It's sort of one last hurrah to summer. And I love it. It's so cute. All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate you joining me today. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a whole lot. Also, if you are interested in her shop, I will link her Life in Envelopes shop below if you are interested in these kits. She is very reasonably priced, and I think that's a bonus, especially when you're a planner and you buy lots of stickers. I think it's always helpful to be able to find sticker shops that are reasonably priced. So anyways, I will link her shop in the description below. And also I will link her collaboration video in the description below as well, so that you can hop over there and say hi to her and tell her that Joey sent you. If you want to get more content like this from me and you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. That way you can continue to see my videos. Also hit the bell notification, and that will let you know when I upload a new video. If you're in school yet, let me know how it's going. I'm really interested because we're starting back this week. Holy moly. Have a great day. I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.